Just a few months after presenting the concept, Lexus has released the LBX Morizo RR in production in Japan. Inspired with an extra dose of elegance, the three-cylinder engine from the GR Yaris hot hatch is borrowed by this little SUV. The Lexus LBX 2025 pricing range runs from $47,550 for the basic trim-level SUV LBX Luxury 2WD Hybrid to $56,990 for the top-of-the-range SUV LBX Sports Luxury AWD Hybrid. Visually, the Lexus LBX Morizo RR keeps the bravado of its January 2024 concept, but from a more subdued dark chrome finish replacing the once-shrill yellow grille stripe. The unique body kit of the Morizo adds a little of menacing. Reworked bumpers feature much higher intakes. Its aggressive posture is emphasized even more by body-colored fenders and side skirts. New set of 19-inch forged wheels finishes the change. The changes enhance aerodynamics and cooling, thus they serve purposes beyond merely show. Inside, the LBX Morizo RR moves from comfort-first seating to a pair of aggressive sports chairs. While Alcantara inserts and red contrast stitching injects a dash of motorsport-inspired flair, aluminum pedals scream for a dynamic drive. Under the hood of LBX Morizo RR sits a snarling 1.6-liter turbo three-cylinder engine derived from the fire-breathing GR Yaris and GR Corolla. This mill produces exactly the same robust 300 horsepower as the facelift GR Yaris. The LBX Morizo RR has the option between a 6-speed manual gearbox or a fast 8-speed automatic, much as the most recent iteration of its rally-bred cousin. Whichever your inclination, an electronically regulated full-time AWD system channels power to all four wheels. Lexus claims that the 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration takes 5.2 seconds.